And we're live. January 25th, 2019. It's Friday, guys. Let's jump into the market, shall we? I'm a little dirty. My feet are wet. Just was washing the car or the truck. Man, that thing, it's been a rough winter on that thing, let me tell you. We finally had a little break in the weather. I thought, yeah, I'll wash that truck. Whew, that like takes all day. All right, here we go. $115 billion. I think we're slipping. I think we're going down a little bit here in the total crypto market cap. BTC USD is at $3,560, trending sideways. It's really got some real tight, trading area. It's really getting real down to the wire here. There's going to be a decision made here soon as far as whether or not we're going up and down. I'm pretty sure of that. Let's look at, well, you know what? I'm going to say stay out of it for now, Bitcoin. XRP BTC in the, let's see, yeah, XRP BTC. Looks like XRP is losing out here, and you want to stay in Bitcoin if you're doing this trade on the 1 day for Binance. Yeah, so it's going down. It's going down. Pulling this chart out real quick, I just wanted to show you that on this 50-day moving average, when we're above it, we're going up. When it breaks below it, we usually just start going down. It's been that way for a while. So we're below it, so we're going down. Hold on to your Bitcoin if you're in this trade. XRP USD is 31 cents and slipping. So yeah, you hold on your USD here. LTC USD on the 1 day Coinbase is $32.61, and it is now a buy. Yesterday, this candle that just finished up here about an hour and a half ago, it finished up green above the 9. I really like it. Let's take a look at the indicators. So we're still struggling on volume, and boy, it looks like we're gonna get a death cross here. Man, you know what? I might hold off on this. Indicators don't look that great. Yeah, I don't know about this one here. Yeah, money flow kind of leaving the building here. Up until this point, it's been looking good, and now let's see. Yeah, now it's starting to die off. Let's see here. I'm just trying to move this around. There you go. Right here in the middle of the Kumo cloud once again. It's gonna go sideways. It's not gonna do anything. I'm gonna leave it there as a sell. LTC BTC still a buy. We've been in it for a while. It's starting to flatline here a little bit. Look for some sideways action, but that was a good call there. Hanging on to it on the 1 day for Coinbase. How about ETH USD on the 1 day for Coinbase at $114? It's still a sell. Stay in cash. ZRX. Now 0x for the 1 day Coinbase is real disappointing here. We're really straddling the line here and trading sideways. This was actually looking okay, except for the wick. But yeah, it's really dumping here with the money flow. Volume's not looking good. I'm going to give it one more day, but I'll tell you what, be careful here. I hope you got your stop set, and just be aware of that this thing could dump and come down. But just looking at this market in general, it's very sideways. There's not much really going on, so just do with it what you will. But I'm going to actually stay in it for one more day. I want to see it actually open and close below the 9 before I put a sell in. And hopefully we get a reversal out of this market. I like where the RSI is at, even though it's coming down with the death cross. There's hope because it's above the 50 that it can bounce up and go higher. So stay in it. Basic attention token USDC. Ooh, still a sell. Where they got a little power move here on BAT, but we've been kind of faked out by these power moves in the past that haven't really resulted in anything. So we're gonna hold off on a buy here. ZEC coin USDC on the 1-day Coinbase is also a sell. Dash USD. Well. We had an open and close finish above the 9. It's looking good, except for now we're getting some dumpage out of the money flow. And we're kissing right up there on that 50-day moving average. You know, I'm gonna call this. I think it's a buy. Ooh boy, it's close. Dash has been not. You know what? This is rough, man. This sideways action, it requires like a little more thought. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait one more day. Just keep it as a sell. Digibyte. Stay out of it. DGB USDT. Oh, that was Digibyte to Bitcoin, by the way, on the 1-day for Bittrex. So we're staying out of it for now. Digibyte BTC. Let's check this one for. I'm sorry, Digibyte USD. The Tether USDT on the 1-day Bittrex. It's still a sell. TRON moving up. Okay, so let's talk about this for a minute. So TRON on its way up. I thought this was going to be your big red candle. This turned out to be the red candle instead. That's fine. We got some real nice bullish action here. Now we're kind of trending down. So yeah, I expected this to just absolutely dump. But I believe it needs to kind of trade out a little further before it does that now. We're not getting quite the death cross. I thought all the indicators look okay, other than perhaps the death cross here. And money flow still, volume still good. Money flow is still in the positive. So, I think TRON just hit that resistance area. I'm going to point it out right here. Boom. That's the resistance line. It's having a hard time, it keeps kind of testing it and then comes down and testing it. And eventually it'll either bust through it or, just absolutely crumble. So, but we're still in it right now. We're still in it, and we might have maybe 2-3 more days before we get an absolute decision on it. So anyway, TRON is still on its. We're still a buy, looking good on the upswing, but we'll see. It could have seen the top here, and it could be pulling down. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see where it goes, but it's still a buy. TRX USD currently is at a little over 2.5 cents, 2.6. So that is also a buy. Also, if you're in the USD trade. Theta BTC. Theta is doing that sweet power move, and then running up. It has just gone absolutely bananas over here. Every day, just working it very strong. At this point, now that I've seen this, I'm expecting a huge blow off top. I mean, this thing could really run. So yeah, it's set up. I mean, it's all there. It's just, are the buyers going to show up? I don't know, but yeah, we'll see about that. So normally, what I'm referring to with Theta is that normally you get these big, gigantic candles that run way up, like this guy here. That basically in one day you go from 0 to hero. And there's another one. This took 2 days. Okay, you get these monster. Here's another 2 days of great run up. Here's a 1 day. Okay, so Theta does these really monster moves in 1 day. So to see this actually go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 days, 11 days so far of run up, is it's slower, steadier growth, and I really, really like that. Plus, this curve here is a monster. I don't know if you've ever been taking note of these. Let me see if I can find it here, because I'd love to just draw it out there for you. Hello, where is it? Come on. Ah, it's the new guy. What'd the new guy do? Where'd he put it? Is this guy new? Oh, man. Where is it? I'm just trying to find my angle. There it is. Duh. Ah, okay. So let's start from, say we'll start from back here and go to here. You see that? You see that beautiful curve? Let's pull it up here. There we go. Boy, I don't even know. Here we go. Here we go. I'm just messing around right now. I this thing is just a beast. It's just gone full blown animal style. Anyway, you get the picture, right? This is just me playing around. Anytime I see this just ramp up right here, it is beautiful. Let's take this out of here. This was our other top. We'll remove that. Remove some of these other lines. Points of resistance and support. I'll leave that one. That we keep hitting. It's a lot of fun. So yeah, I can remove this one too. Boom. Yeah, looking good. Yeah, cleaning it up a little bit, but you can see the ramp up here, right? It just zoom. It really, I love seeing that. So hold on, it could just keep going. Yeah, indicators are all rocking and rolling, looking good. Theta, Proppy, PRO on the 1 day for Bittrex. Let's see, we got, this is what we would call in a top. We said sell it. It's just basically trading sideways on the 9. We did get a little bit of a volume uptick, which is awesome. And it spiked, but it pulled right back down. So I'm just going to keep it down there as a sell for now. We're just going to stay out of it for Proppy. How about Populous, PPT? Stay out of it. OMG. Okay, OMG, we're going to give it one more day. We're really hoping that this thing would do it. It finally opened and closed above the 9, so we're out. I hope, I told people that this would be yesterday, that this is probably a get out kind of moment. And I just wanted to give it one more day. Yeah, I don't have much risk involved here with Omisigo. So I'm just, hey, if it can pull back and, decides to go up another day, that's fine. I don't care. Ambrosis USD, how about that? Oh, this one here, by the way, it is a sell. Okay, Ambrosis USD is, ooh, it's straddling the line, and indicators are looking kind of a mixed bag. Probably going to see more sideways out of it, so stay out of it. HMQ, Humanique, is coming down. Yeah, it's coming down. It's not quite a sell yet. It's getting close. This candle sure wants to dump, that's for sure. So we'll see what it does. But yeah, for now, it's right on the edge. Probably tomorrow we'll be dumping it. So yeah, we'll just keep it here for now. ADA, oh, Cardano still going down. I guess that was a good call. It finally opened and closed pretty close to the 9 and is heading south. We're losing our volume, kind of diminishing volume. Money flows kind of leaving the building. How about so stay out of it. How about Pundi X, the US dollar on the 1 day for Binance? We put a buy-in over here, and it's been running up. Don't forget your stops, guys. I know it's in the cloud now, and it's went bullish above the 50, so it's okay to see this red. This didn't freak me out because we needed to, once we went above the 50, we needed to come down and back test it. Then we popped up a little bit and it came back down. So I think the market just needs to find its strength and move higher. Volume is kind of lacking here, but money flow, everything else looks really, really good. So I would say hold on to your pundy. Neo. Neo is still a sell. Now I didn't call this sell. This was from way back. If it's a red arrow that's been circled, that's not me. That was just kind of just as a visual reference that we're out of it. So stay out of it. Tezos still a sell. Boy, what a dog. Right now it's just moving sideways. QLC chain, Bitcoin on the 1 day for Binance. Yeah, stay out of it. Yeah, it's not performing. Aeon is barely holding on by its fingertips, its fingernails. I saw the movie Cliffhanger. That's what this is here. It's trying to hold on to a buy, barely. Doge, stay out of it. That was a good call back there. How about Bitcoin Cash SV on Tether's 1 day Binance? It's a sell. Bitcoin Cash USD is also a sell. EOS USD is a sell. XLM Stellar Lumens is a sell. Remember, we were accelerated. Once we broke this support line, it's accelerating to the downside. Let me show you in the big picture how that's playing out. As I zoom out here, you see this line right here is our big area of support. Well, it broke that, and that's when I put my sell in, and I said, we're out of here. Screw this. We're done. So next area, Aaron, where's it going? Oh, I'll tell you what. I'll put in just one of these, and you tell me if that looks valid or accurate to you. Okay? That's a possibility. I'm going to put it like this. Okay? Boom. And if it doesn't stop there, because sometimes it doesn't stop, it just keeps wanting to dump, we're going to put that in. And if it doesn't stop there, it's going to continue on the downtrend like so. Okay? So that's what we got in our future for right now. We could get a bounce here or here. But remember, these arrows are not exactly what it's going to do. These are just my hopes and dreams. So, and hey, listen, I'm telling you right now, you shouldn't be in Stellar. In fact, I told you back up here that you shouldn't be in Stellar, and I told you back here we shouldn't be in Stellar. And then we just had a brief period, just a little baby sliver of a window where we were in it, where we could have either got in and made just a little bit or broke even or had a little bit of a loss. It doesn't really matter here. What matters is that for the majority of this, we've been out. So that being said, hopefully if the law of averages are going to be doing really good on the right side of the trade. Last one is pay going down. Stay out of it for right now. That's it, fellas. It's BTC USD on the 1 day for Coinbase, $3,560 currently. And we'll see if this little hope and dream pans out the way I hoped it would. That would mean that maybe tomorrow, or maybe not today, but maybe tomorrow we could start getting some lift. That would be really awesome. I'd really like that. But if it doesn't happen, it doesn't happen, and we're on the right side of the trade. All right, fellas, talk to y'all soon. God bless you guys. Thanks for hanging out with me today. And be good to each other. Talk to you later. See ya. I'm out.